What's up, YouTube? So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to record the PS4 party chat and game sound and also your own voice with the Elgato HD60. This is a fast method. It seems a little complicated, but like I said, if you watch the video it will be plain and simple. It'll only take you a few seconds to do it. So always remember that before you even get started with the Elgato, because I'm going to also teach you guys how to set up the Elgato in this video. If you guys don't know how to do it, you have to first go to the settings when you're setting up your Elgato, and you have to go to system. And when you go to system, make sure you go down here to enable HDCP. Now, if you can see, I don't have that box checked. If your box is checked, make sure you uncheck it so that way your game will pop up on the Elgato game capture app on your PC. And that's how it's going to show your game and video. You're going to need your headset to be able to communicate with your friends on the gaming chat on the PlayStation 4. So I bought me some Turtle Beaches. You probably can find cheaper ones online, but I went to GameStop to get mine. You're going to need you 3.5mm RCA audio adapters. I bought this one online on Amazon. Now, when I bought the 3.5mm RCA audio adapter, it actually didn't work when I tried to record my gameplay and tried to listen to the TV with the headset. So I found the solution to the problem. What you have to do is buy you a optical digital to analog converter, and this will help you be able to listen to your headset while plugging it into the TV. So you're gonna need this right here. This is the most important thing you're gonna need for this whole thing to work. Now these two right here are optional, but I recommend these two cables. This one right here, it helps you be able to back away from your TV when you plug the headphones in so you won't sit too close. These right here are 3.5 male to female extension stereo audio cable, and you can find this online. It's pretty cheap, not too much. And this one right here, I recommend you buying. This one right here is the volume control. So this helps you be able to turn the TV sound up and down with your headset, because you can't do that when you just have a headset on. So this one right here will be able to turn your TV up and down, the sound. Now the setup is pretty simple. I know it looks complicated right now, but bear with me. It's just gonna take a couple of seconds. So all you have to do to set this thing up is first get this right here. This is the optical digital to analog converter. All you have to do is get the optical cable, which is this, and plug it into here, right? See if I find the right way to do it. Plug it right into there, right? And get this right here. Once you get this, plug it into here. Plug the other one into here, right? Now, we got this already set up. Now, there's a few more steps. All you have to do is plug in the extender. Like I said, these are optionals. You can just plug your headphones in right here. But plug in this extender. Boom. Right? This is how I do mine. Plug in the volume control. Boom. And plug in your headset into the hole. That's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna do the setup on the TV, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on the computer, and that's pretty much it. Now all you have to do is just plug this in the wall. Boom, that's done. You put the headphones on the side over here. And all you have to do is just plug the optical cable in the back of the TV. Plug it in this way. Boom, that's done. Now I'm gonna teach you guys how to just do everything on the computer and the TV, and then you should be fine. All right, so how this works is when you go to settings, right? And you go over here to devices, you're going to see audio devices, right? I don't have anything in there right now. But You see these headphones right here that I told you guys to get? You're going to plug these headphones inside of your PS4 controller. Okay? Now you see that. Now, in order for this whole thing to work, you go over here to output and input device settings, right? So the input device is basically you talking to your friends. That's what's being inputted. You're talking to your friends. They're going to be able to hear you through that. The output is going to be put not on the headset, but on the TV. When you do that, that means the sound will be coming out of the TV. Your friend and the game sound will come out of the TV. Now, that's why I told you guys to plug in your earbuds inside of the optical digital to analog converter, because it's going to convert that inside of the headphones, so you will be able to hear the game and your friends on your headset. And also the Elgato will be capturing that as well. Okay, so anyway, after you do that, what I usually do is, you see these headsets right here? I will put the mic up right here, and I will sit down on a chair, and I will plug the earphones right here inside of my ear. I will hear the game sound, and I will hear my friends, and when I talk in the mic right here, they will be able to hear me. Now, the Blue Snowball mic, you plug this inside of the computer, so that way, when you go to the Elgato app right here, as you can see, when you go to capture, and you go down here to audio input, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here under the live commentary. You're going to choose the Blue Snowball mic. So that way, it's going to record the game sound, your friends, and the TV sound on here. And when you talk through here, it's going to record your voice on here through the mic. So that way you will have that nice crisp sound. Okay, so that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe if it helped you. Make sure you leave a comment below and tell me if it guys worked for you. I'll see you guys in my next video.